Okay. So thanks for the question. Today, all the shows that we put out, roughly about 25% of the viewership for all our shows comes from outside the country. So the Indian content is really traveling across the world. We're seeing it with every single launch. This one, I feel there are two advantages. One, it's, as some people said before on the panel, it's really glossy, it's really glamorous, very well put together, international. That has appeal in itself. But at the same time, it's also a show which has a lot of honesty. They're saying something which is emotional but without being preachy. And I think that emotion and the hustle that all these characters go through, most people will look at it and say, hey, I've seen that happening, or I've experienced that in some way. And that's what's going to make it relatable. So I feel it's an international quality project which will travel across the world, but also the emotions and what it's trying to say is what's going to make it relatable, hopefully to millions of people across the globe. That's our
Everyone, congratulations, and first of all, I want to say congratulate you all. Firstly, the show is looking really happening. So, can we have a big round of applause for all of them sitting there? So, yes. My first question goes to you, Ananya. When was the last time you had the rickshaw ride, and the first time ever, if I talk about?
My dad and me, we share a car sometimes. So when he takes the car away, then I go to my Kathak class and stuff in a rickshaw. I know that there are no seatbelts in a rickshaw. So recently only I sat in a rickshaw, I think like a month or something ago. The first time I must have sat was like in school, like when I was like 10 or 12 or something.
Oh wow, that's interesting. Now we also know that there is no seatbelt in a rickshaw. Well, thank you so much, Ananya. My next question goes to you, Gurpratap. So we have seen you in different characters. How this character would be different, and how were you approached for this one?
Thank you for the question. I think it is different because, not necessarily, but that's been the public opinion that I've played very dark and like negative characters. But I mean, he's actually a good guy, and I think this is my attempt at being a good guy and like happy and positive. So I hope that comes across. And yeah, I'm into much more positive character in life and not just be a bad guy.
Oh, sorry for me. I'm doing good. How are you?
Based. Anyways, how much do you relate with this character, and what similarities do you find in your real self and on your real self?
So with Prince, I do relate a lot, a little too much. Prince is a guy who makes people happy. He does things for people so that they have a comfortable life. He's a people's person, and I think I'm like that. And he's a proper Delhi guy, which is me to the core. He likes to go to the gym. He's a techie, which is also me. And I just had fun amplifying every trait in me that was about Prince. So yeah, I really enjoyed doing the character.
Excited for the audience to see in Call Me Babe.
Most excited for, I think the friendship between the girls and the pad that they occupy and basically that madhouse that it becomes. I hope I'm not giving too much away, but I think the friendship between the girls is something that's really sweet, and I think Colin has really nicely tapped into that and allowed a lot of our natural chemistry to get into the show. And so I'm excited for the audience to see that.
आई हो आपने हमारी फिल्म को, जो हमारे देश की फिल्म को इतना अच्छा सम्मान दिलाया ऑस्ट्रेलिया में, तो उसके लिए मैं आपको बधाई देना चाहती हूँ पहले तो जी। सेकंड थिंग ये कि जो OTT चैनल्स हैं उनमें हर तरह का कंटेंट चलते हैं। अभी मेरे एक साथी ने पूछा कि इंटरनेशनली इसको किस तरह से हम पोर्ट्रे करेंगे आगे, तो उसी पर मेरा ये सवाल है कि जो कंटेंट की अगर हम बात करें तो पंचायत या फिर मिर्ज़ापुर इस तरह की चीज़ें भी हमारे देश में काफ़ी पसंद की जाती हैं। तो उस बेस पे अगर हम बात करें तो जैसे कि जर्नलिस्ट बनेंगी तो क्या हमें उस तरह का चीज़ भी मिलेगी, धारदार जर्नलिज्म या उस तरह की बातें हमारे को मिलेंगी आपके शो के थ्रू?
देखिए, आई थिंक जो बे का जो सफ़र है और जिस तरह वो पेश आती है, स्पेशली क्लोजिंग एक्ट्स में टुवर्ड्स द एंड, और जब आप ये शो को, जैसे मैंने पहले ही कहा था कि जब आप शो को दूर की नज़र से अगर देखो तो ऐसा लगता है कि एंटरटेनिंग है, ग्लॉसी ग्लैमरस शो है, लेकिन काफ़ी मज़ेदार चीज़ें होती हैं शो में। इस कैरेक्टर द्वारा। और मैं ये नहीं कहूँगा कि ये कोई टेक्स्ट बुक ऑन जर्नलिज्म वाली कोई शो है, बस ज़रूर ये कहूँगा कि जो शो की जो पॉलिटिक्स है, जो वो हम कहना चाहते हैं, जो कम्युनिकेशन है वो बहुत सही है, और ये देश विदेश हर कोई रिलेट कर पाएगा।